right, so get this, huh? Imagine a token just shoots up like over 85% in a single day. That's what happened with ChainGPT.
Yeah.
Or CGPT, as some people call it. Crazy, right? After it got listed on Binance.
It is pretty wild.
It is wild. So we're diving deep into this price explosion today, trying to figure out what's going on here.
Yeah.
We've got some articles from Bankless Times, Investing Haven, got some data from CoinMarketCap.
Oh, wow.
Even some stuff straight from ChainGPT's own website and documentation.
Nice.
So we're going to be digging through all this stuff. You know what's really interesting is this isn't just some random pump and dump scheme.
Right.
This is ChainGPT is actually like a whole ecosystem of AI tools built for the blockchain and crypto world.
Yeah, and that's what's so interesting here, right? It's not just another token.
Right.
You know, there's actually something, there's some meat on the bones here.
Yeah, so what kind of tools are we talking about here?
So think about things like, AI chatbots. So you could ask it all your crypto questions. NFT generators. You can just create an NFT in seconds.
Wow.
Tools to build smart contracts.
Wow.
They even have AI-powered security audits. So it's they're bringing the power of AI to every corner of the crypto space.
Okay, so they've been making some serious moves even before this price surge. I'm looking at their website and I'm seeing partnerships, new tech developments, a growing user base.
Right.
They even snagged some grabs from Google and NVIDIA.
Oh, wow.
That's pretty big, right?
That's pretty big, yeah.
And then not to mention their high rankings on those security leaderboards. It seems like they were building up to something.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, and that something big was their Binance listing.
Yeah.
On January 10th, 2025. So just the other day.
Just the other day.
So this was a major turning point, I think, for ChainGPT, because Binance is the biggest crypto exchange out there.
Right, yeah.
So this is kind of this is a big deal.
This is a big deal. And it wasn't just any listing. They got trading pairs with USDT and USDC right out of the gate. Deposits opened immediately.
Wow.
They even waived the listing fee.
Huh.
Like they were ready.
Yeah, they were ready.
They were ready. And then ChainGPT's Twitter was understandably hyped, right? They were saying the wait is over.
Yeah, it makes you wonder what the atmosphere was like. I mean, Binance listings are a huge deal in the crypto world, so the anticipation must have been through the roof, right?
Yeah, absolutely. Even the founder of ChainGPT released a statement.
Oh, wow.
Talking about how this listing is validation of their whole approach to building these AI solutions for the blockchain.
Right.
So there's this sense that it's not just about riding the hype wave, right? There's some real substance behind this.
Right.
Okay, so speaking of hype, let's talk about that price surge.
Okay.
Investing Haven is calling it a triple breakout. Which sounds pretty intense.
It sounds intense.
I think intense is an understatement. We're talking about a jump from $0 to 26 cents to 39 cents.
Whoa, that's almost an 85% increase in a single day.
Almost an 85% increase in a single day.
Wow.
It smashed through 3 key resistance levels.
That's incredible.
Which is a big deal for people who follow technical analysis.
It's a huge deal. And what's fascinating is Investing Haven was actually recommending CGPT back in October of 2024.
So if you had listened to them back then,
you would be sitting pretty with a 3x game right now.
Wow.
Just from October.
Wow. That's incredible.
It is incredible, but as we were saying before, there's more to this than just the listing hype, right? ChainGPT is building solutions with real-world applications in the blockchain space. They're not just, flashy tools. They're designed to solve real problems.
Okay, so give me an example. Their AI chatbot.
Right. So their AI chatbot, it's not just some gimmick. It can answer any crypto-related question you throw at it. It's pretty remarkable, actually. And then there's also their NFT generator. This lets anyone create NFTs in seconds.
Really?
Yeah, it's pretty cool. And then you've got their smart contract tools.
Okay.
Which are designed to help developers build more secure and efficient decentralized applications.
Okay.
And then they also have AI-powered security solutions that are actively working to make the crypto world a safer place.
So it's like they're tackling all the big challenges in the crypto space head on.
Yeah.
And they're not stopping there.
Right.
They've got this AI news generator, an AI trading assistant, even their own launchpad to support new AI projects in Web3.
Yeah, they're building a whole ecosystem.
They're building a whole ecosystem.
It's pretty remarkable, and it's all powered by their CGPT token. And what's great is that this isn't just a speculative asset, It's a utility token that unlocks access to all these services within the ChainGPT ecosystem.
So holders can even stake their tokens for rewards and participate in DAO governance, which means they have a say in the project's future.
Yeah, exactly. So it's a really active community, lots of opportunities for users to earn and contribute, feel like they're a part of something bigger.
And they're putting their money where their mouth is.
Right.
They recently awarded a $50,000 grant to ChainAware,
Yeah.
which is, focused on AI security solutions for the blockchain.
Right. So that shows real commitment to fostering innovation within their ecosystem. And it underscores their belief in AI's power to shape the future of blockchain technology.
This is all getting me pretty excited. What does all of this mean for the future of CGPT? Do you think this price surge is sustainable?
That's a great question, and it's one we're going to explore in more detail as we continue this deep dive. This surge is exciting, but we need to understand what's driving it beyond the initial Binance listing buzz.
Okay, so before we get into that, let's take a closer look at some of the technical details behind this price explosion.
Okay.
Investing Haven had some really interesting insights about this.
Remember how I mentioned that Investing Haven was recommending CGPT even before the Binance listing? Well, they were onto something. Like, they actually spotted this signal, this bullish signal in the charts. It's called a cup and handle pattern.
Okay, I'm familiar with some of the basics of technical analysis,
Yeah.
but could you break that down for maybe some of our listeners who might not be?
Yeah.
Like, what is a cup and handle, and why is it significant?
So imagine a price chart, and it literally looks like a cup with a handle.
Okay.
Right. So the cup forms as the price dips, and then it rises again.
Okay.
So it creates this kind of rounded bottom, and then you have a slight dip
Ah.
and a recovery, and that forms the handle. And this pattern often suggests that, like, a big price move is coming.
So Investing Haven saw this pattern
Yeah.
forming for CGPT,
Yeah.
which kind of tipped them off that it could be a good time to buy.
Exactly. Yeah. So they recognize this pattern as a bullish signal, and then boom, the Binance listing hit, and the price exploded. Even more dramatically than many had anticipated.
And they called it a triple breakout, right? What exactly does that mean?
So that means the price not only broke through that resistance level created by the cup and handle, but it went on to shatter two more resistance levels above that.
Whoa.
So this indicates, like, incredibly strong buying pressure and momentum.
So the Binance listing was kind of like this catalyst.
Yeah.
Like it just ignited this price surge that was already kind of primed to happen.
Right, exactly.
Yeah.
It's like a perfect storm, right? You have the technical factors, and then you have the fundamental strength. Remember, ChainGPT is not just, some fly-by-night project. They're building real solutions, and that underlying value is attracting serious investors.
And that's what makes this so interesting. We're not just talking about hype here.
Yeah.
We're talking about a project with real potential for long-term growth.
Right, and that potential, I think, is further reflected in the CGPT token itself.
Okay.
Right? This isn't just a token you buy hoping to make a quick profit. This is the key to unlocking the entire ChainGPT ecosystem.
Yeah, you need CGPT to access their AI chatbot, their NFT generator, smart contract tools, all those other services that we discussed.
Exactly. So it has real utility.
Right.
Which supports its value. And as the ecosystem grows, more people use these tools, the demand for CGPT is likely to increase as well.
Plus, you can stake your CGPT tokens
Right.
to earn rewards.
Yeah.
And participate in DAO governance, giving you a direct say in the project's direction.
Yeah, it creates a strong incentive for people to hold on to their tokens, become active members of the community.
It's like they're building a movement,
Yeah.
not just a company.
It really is.
And that movement, it's attracting attention from major players in the space.
Yeah.
Don't forget about that $50,000 grant they gave to ChainAware
Right.
for AI security development. That's a significant investment
It is, yeah.
in the future of their ecosystem. All these pieces kind of seem to fit together to create this incredibly bullish picture
Yeah.
for ChainGPT. I'm pretty impressed.
Yeah, me too. It's not often that you see this kind of convergence of technological innovation, real-world utility, and community engagement.
Right.
Like, ChainGPT seems to be, like, ticking all the right boxes.
And they're not done yet. Remember that ambitious plan we mentioned earlier, the one about building their own blockchain?
Oh, yeah.
Like, that's where things get really interesting. This whole ChainGPT deep dive has been wild.
Yeah.
So many surprises. Like we've uncovered a project with these powerful AI tools, a utility token with real-world applications, a community that is buzzing, like really excited about this. But what's really blowing my mind is this plan to create their own blockchain,
Yeah.
specifically designed for AI. They're calling it the AIVM Blockchain Initiative,
Hmm.
and it's set to launch sometime soon.
Yeah, this is where I think ChainGPT's long-term vision really, really shines through.
Okay.
They're not just building tools.
Right.
They're creating an entire infrastructure to support the development and deployment of AI applications in the Web3 space.
So it's like they're creating this custom-tailored platform
Right.
that is optimized for AI
Yeah.
from the ground up.
Like from the ground up.
That's a game changer.
Yeah.
What are some of the potential advantages of having this blockchain dedicated to AI?
I mean, imagine a blockchain that can handle the massive computational demands of training and executing these really complex AI models.
Bro.
That's what AIVM blockchain promises.
Okay.
It could lead to faster processing speeds, increased efficiency, and enhanced security for AI applications.
And this isn't just some like theoretical concept.
Right.
ChainGPT has already released detailed documentation outlining their plans for this thing.
Yeah.
Like they're actively working to make this vision a reality.
And they're not doing it alone, right?
Yeah.
They're fostering this collaborative ecosystem, launching grant programs to incentivize developers to build on this new blockchain. It's like they're seeding the ground for this whole new generation of AI-powered decentralized applications.
I mean, it's exciting to think about, the possibilities. This could be the foundation for a whole new wave of innovation in blockchain technology.
Yeah.
Driven by the power of AI.
And as this ecosystem grows, right,
Right.
and more developers flock to this AI-focused blockchain, the demand for this EGPT token
Right.
is likely to increase as well. Remember, CGPT is going to be the native token
Okay.
of this AIVM blockchain.
Right.
So it's going to play a central role in its functionality.
So this isn't just about speculating on the price of a token, right?
Right.
This is about being a part of a technological revolution.
Exactly. Yeah, ChainGPT is building something truly, truly groundbreaking,
Yep.
pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the blockchain space. And they're inviting everyone to join them on this journey.
This deep dive has been a wild ride. We started with this explosive 85% price surge. And we ended up exploring this vision for the future of AI and blockchain. That is, it's ambitious.
Yeah.
It's inspiring.
It really is. It's a good reminder that this industry is constantly evolving,
Right.
pushing the limits of innovation.
And for those who are willing to dive deep and explore the potential, there are truly groundbreaking opportunities to be discovered.
So as we wrap up this deep dive,
Yeah.
here's a thought-provoking question for our listeners. Will ChainGPT succeed in its mission to become the leading AI platform for the entire blockchain industry?
Ooh, good question. Only time will tell.
Only time will tell. But one thing is for sure, this is a story worth following closely.
Absolutely. And we've included links to all the sources we discussed in this episode in the show notes, so you can continue your own exploration of the ChainGPT ecosystem. Until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep diving deep into the world of blockchain technology.